YouTube, happy 2018. Your girl Marcy to be here, and to start off my year I am putting finishing touches on this lace crochet unit I've been working on off and on now for about a month or so. I combined a lace wig cap along with one of the diamond netted wig caps, sewed those together, used crochet latch hook to crochet the hair, and to add hair to the lace I used one of these knit pickers. The hair I used for this unit is from Shake and Go. They're pre-stretched braid 18 inches that I purchased at my local beauty supply store. You can see that's 100% Kanekalon. Marcy to be gonna keep it 100 with you. For me, adding hair to lace using the knit picker or ventilating needle, ventilating lace is a lot of work. But one of the advantages, I'll say, of doing this, if you have the time and the inclination, is that you can create a custom unit and design it exactly like you want. Now for me, another benefit of creating a crochet lace wig unit is that you can quickly crochet the hair onto the netted wig cap or cornrow cap if you choose to use one, and then you can create a custom hairline in the front, which solves that dilemma of what to do with that daggone band and how to make your unit look more natural. So I'm about finished with this unit. I'm going to go ahead and trim the lace off camera, and we'll be back to see how she looks on. Please stay tuned. Here is my completed unit on. I applied a little heat with my blow dryer to make it even more silky. I will give you a 360 so you can get a look from all angles. A little quick 411 about the hair. Again, this is from Shake and Go. It's their Q or K, pronounced in Spanish, pre-stretch braid 18 inches. And as you can see, you get a lot of hair in the pack. 3 really thick bundles of pre-cut, pre-feathered, pre-stretched, pre-layered, 100% Kanekalon hair. That's also great for hot water sets. This would especially be good and a nice time saver you're doing braids or twists. Comes in a lot of great colors. I purchased color T350. Bought this at my local beauty supply store, $7.99 a pack. I bought 3 packs and only used a pack and 1 bundle of a second pack to create my unit. Gotta say, I really liked working with this hair. It's nice and soft. Was easy to work with. The knots do not slip. It knots very easily and has a nice, soft, natural looking yaki texture. YouTube, thank you so very much for watching. I do truly appreciate it. Please post any questions or comments below. I will get right back at you. Big things coming in 2018, so please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I'm out for now though, YouTube, and you know what I always say before I go. You be safe, take care, and we'll see you this year. Bye for now.